Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learner's Cob app. Hello friends. Today we will discuss about for loop.
Now we will discuss about for loop. There are two types of for loops. One is for variable in sequence. And two is for variable in range. Now we will discuss about for variable in sequence. The for in loop repeats a given block of codes by the specified number of times length of sequence present in the sequence. The syntax is given here. Here variable will store all the values of each item. Sequence may be a string, list a collection which implies the number of times the loop should do. Now we will discuss about for variable in range. As we studied about the range in the above, we will give the option of range of our choice. Range will generate a sequence of numbers. It is same as the first one, but here it will consist of a list of sequence integers.
This is Dinesh. Today we will discuss about for loop. To make for loop, let's assume a value a as Dinesh. Now for using for loop, for I in A, we will print the value of A for every element. It will print the I and E as in separate form. Now we will see for loop in the range for I in range. Now we will see with one argument. Let us assume 13. We will print the values of I, then it will print from 0 to 12. Now we will use with two arguments range for I in range of 2, 4. It will print the values of I from 2 to 42. If you see here from 2 to 42 is there. Now we will see with three arguments for I in range of, first one is the starting point. We will start with 12 and we will end with 56, and the last one is the gap, that is difference. We will take it as 7, and now we will print the values of I. It will print from 12 to 54 by the difference of 7 in each terms. If you have any doubts, we will discuss in my Telegram channel. Okay, bye.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learner's Cob app.